Hey guys, so this is my whole entire paper squishies collection. So first, let's get right into it. So first are my cotton ball squishies, or my paper squishies. Here, let me turn up the volume really quickly. Okay, there we go. So first is this Kareem, which is my brother's name. Sorry that I haven't been posting that often, it's because it's for some reason signed me out of YouTube, so I had to sign back in and stuff. So yeah, and then I have Lisa, which is my mom's name. By the way, guys, do you like my nails? I got them done tonight, like 2 hours ago. Not 2 hours, like 1 hour. And then I have my dad's, which his name is Mohammed because he's Moroccan. Oh my gosh, the shine. Sorry. But yeah. On the back it's kind of creepy, so please ignore that. I'm sorry. And then, wait, that's not. Okay, and then I have Grace Mill Spa. And they are gel nails. And guys, I do not mean to brag. If you think I'm bragging, I'm so sorry. But really squishy. The back is kind of creepy too, but Grace Mill Spa is my friend, so yeah. So next is this Blaze and Boomer 3 one. It's like one of my softest ones. It's really squishy and nice. Really like this one. Next are my minis. Wait, no, I still have another one. Then I have Najwa, which is my adult sister. I need to fix that later after this video. But yeah, it's very squishy. Nice. Sorry about the glare, I'm so sorry. Especially on my dad's, because it was really, there was a big glare. Let's just say that. So now I'm going to show you all my minis. They're all in this low drawer. So yeah, first I have Boomer. Has a little dog face, and I dropped it like I always do. And then I have the sad face. Then it says By Far Low, which is my name. Then I have Blaze. Oops, wrong side. Blaze. I have this High. And then this little tiny one. It's really, really small, but it has a smiley face and a frowny face. So this is the size comparison compared to the High Heart. And then this High Heart compared to Najwa's. So this one's pretty mini. This is compared. So yeah, pretty nice. Almost dropped it. Okay. So next is all the plastic bag squishies or trash bag squishies. So this is a Target bag. And then I have a Kroger bag, and they are the same size. So this is the Kroger bag. And the glare is really bad too. I'm sorry about that. Okay. Next is a trash bag. Again, sorry about the glare. This one's lemon scented because the trash bag was scented, so I can smell it through the thing. And it smells really good. But yeah. If you want me to do a tutorial, I will. Please ignore that stain. I don't know how it got there, but it did. somehow. So next are all my cotton ball squishies. So paper squishies. So first I have this plastic bag one. Go check out my tutorial on this one. It's very squishy and nice. Just gotta make sure the tap is okay. It's good. Sorry about all the background noises. Somewhat bad lighting. This would help. Oh no, that's terrible lighting. This is better, but still bad. Next is this one. It's more squishy. But yeah, because it's newer. The newer, the better. This was the first ever one I made. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it was this. Yep, it was this one. So it still is good though. And I cut a big hole. Well, not a big hole, a small hole, but bigger than it's supposed to be. So that's why it's not as good either. So yeah. So yeah. Sorry, I say so yeah a lot. And I used to say literally a lot, so I was about to say so yeah again. But next is this one, which is with a mini bag, which I really like these minis a lot, but I also like these ones, so you can go with full hand squish like that. And then of this one, you can just go like that. And it's really nice. I love these. They're so slow rising and soft. And they hold their shape, which the helicopter would like. Scooch those back. There we go. Okay, so next is, okay. Wait, I'm gonna show you guys this jumbo. Forgot to show you this one. This is the back, but this is the front. This was my second one that I've ever made. Again, bigger hole, not as good. I might redo this one, but yeah, it's really nice. Better than the first one though. Better than, well, not this one. Okay, better than this one. Because I didn't put that many cotton balls in there either. I cut a big hole and stuff, so not the best, but. And then I have this mini one. So yeah. If you want a tutorial on how to do this, I kind of explained it in the tutorial on the normal, but yeah. Pretty squishy, really like it. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Okay, so now last two, and they are, so first is this one. If you guys want me to do a tutorial, I will. But these are really nice. I will be doing a tutorial soon, maybe tonight, I don't know. But then I have this one, which is newer. The other one was just like an experiment one, and then I made another one because why not? And oh, that clap is loud. And come in. And I did a TikTok tutorial on it. So go check out my TikTok account to see that tutorial. It has different parts though. Sorry about the background. My mom's back there. She's doing laundry. But anyways, that's it for the video. I put all my squishies in this drawer. Ignore that. Those are some fidget toys and the mini brands, but go check out my TikTok account if you want to see the unboxing of that. But I'm I put all my squishies in here. Yeah. So, yeah, it's nice. Just to put them in there. It's so nice. Very fun. Come here, Bubba. There's baby Boomer. Yeah, that's not underwear. That's my brother's, like, pajama shorts. But very, very nice. I should have done this one with the cotton balls because actually, I shouldn't have said that because I kind of spoiled it, but that's okay. Oh, shoot. Dropped. Does this have a hole? Yeah, it does. Right there. I'm going to be doing a repair video soon. A lot of these need repaired. So, yeah. But yeah. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. And yeah. I love you guys so much. And yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.